everyone, welcome to my channel Fresh Fix with WeDad. Today I'll be showing you how to make the fastest and easiest yet incredibly delicious pasta with chicken. But before we dive into the recipe, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of my new videos. To begin, let's start by boiling the pasta before we move on to the sauce. Place a pot on the stove and add water. We'll add about 1 tablespoon of salt for seasoning. Cover the pot and wait for the water to come to a boil before adding in your pasta. While the water is heating up, let's prepare the chicken. I have around 5 pieces of chicken breast that I'll be using. Since the chicken is slightly frozen, it's much easier to cut it into perfect cubes. So aim for smaller pieces as they'll cook faster and more evenly. Now that our water is boiling, we'll go ahead and remove the lid and add in our pasta. For this recipe, I'm using 2 pounds of elbow, but you can use any other type. Let the pasta cook according to the package instructions. While the pasta is cooking, let's move on to the sauce. In another pot, add about half a cup of olive oil. Toss in a finely chopped onion. Once the onion starts turning golden, it's time to add in our cubed chicken. Mix it well until the chicken starts to change color. And don't forget to give that pasta a couple of stirs every now and then. Now let's season our dish. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of each: salt, black pepper, and oregano. We'll be adding 4 bay leaves, but these we'll add them later on. For the saucy part, we'll add 1 jar of tomato sauce, about 2 pounds. I've chosen Prego traditional sauce, and to get that perfect consistency, I'm gonna be adding 1 cup of water. Now Drop the bay leaves for extra flavor. Give it a good mix, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until the sauce thickens. After 15 minutes, take a look at our rich sauce. It's now ready to be combined with the pasta. Drain your cooked pasta and add it to a pot. Ladle in some of that delicious sauce and give it a thorough mix. Once the pasta is coated with the sauce, it's time to serve. Plate up the pasta and for an extra touch, drizzle some more sauce on top. If you're a fan of basil, go ahead and sprinkle some freshly chopped leaves for a burst of freshness. And there you have it, a delicious plate of pasta with chicken that's both quick and delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!